Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MUHAMAD HARITH HAZIM bin NAZARY and I'm from CS2554B. For the ITT 569 mini project, I will do the plant watering system. The statement that I had is the lack of monitoring water level, which can concern the hydration of the plant. Plant require daily attention to track the humidity of the soil and water, as it is essential to keep it balanced. It also becomes difficult for people to monitor their garden when they are in busy schedule. They must ask their neighbor or relative to take care of their garden while they are away from home, or people living in the apartment will need wait until they go back to water their plant. Moreover, workers do not have time to monitor their garden daily and does not have time to check it regularly, as most people treat gardening as a hobby on a spare time. Many people do not know how much the water level needed for the plant in each amount of time. Water is absorbed from the root and is transported to all areas of the plant. If there are no water to be absorbed, the root will have the higher pressure in finding the water that is needed. Meanwhile, when the plants are overwatered, the roots are not capable in accommodate, which damage the roots and the plant will die. This also can affect the humidity of the soil. Hence, this plant watering system is here to help the gardener to solve their problem and to make sure their plant live healthy. The objective of this project. There are three objectives of this project. The first one is to allow user to check the current soil moisture level, to allow user to turn on and off watering system, to allow user to set the system to automatic mode. The significance of this project is it will give benefit to users that have busy schedule yet they want to have their own plant at home. The second one is they will not require to check their plant condition regularly. The last one is user can keep up to date about the condition of the plant remotely. So now I'm going to show you how is the project are running. But first and foremost, I would like to introduce the component that I use. The first one is the board, which is the Arduino Mega. The second one is the breadboard. The third one is my power supply, which I use the batteries. The fourth one is the relay. The fifth one is the submerged pump alongside with the hose. And the last one is the moisture sensor that I use version 1.2. So basically the relay module will connect through to the power supply and also through the boards to have the connection that will be used, and the moisture sensor are connected through the board, and also the power supply are connected through the breadboard. Next, I'm going to show you the code that I use. It's just a simple code. So basically how does it work is when the moisture sensor detects the soil are moist, the water pump will not automatically turn on because it are already moist. Whereas if the soil are not moist, so the pump will detect from the board saying that the soil are not moisture enough and needs to be watered. So the connected hose will flow the water from the submerged pump. So this is how it goes. The water will go through and the water pump. So basically if the water are already pumped into the soil, so the moisture sensor will detect that the soil already have enough moisture and will wait until the soil are not moisture enough, then it will automatically watering the plant.